1:16. Ready na magpapatay ng mga ilaw. 1:16 in the morning. Closing time. Closing time. 1 AM in the morning na po dito sa Korea. Past 1 AM na. Katapos nito, may part-time kami ulit. Yan. 1:20 na dito sa atin. Katapos lang ng work namin. Tapos ito ulit. Mag-work na naman kami ulit ni Kuya Jammer, panibago part-time. Part-time kami. Pupunta na ako dun sa aarobaitan ko. Close na kami. Close na yung restaurant. Katatapos lang ng work. Kaso ito, panibagong work ulit. Jamel! Kuya Jamel! Arobite sa madaling araw. After work. Ito po ulit panibago naming work. Ayan. Moving stuff. Ayan po siya. Mga couch. Tsaka yung dito. Patay itong kama?
Oo, te.
Okay, okay. Uy, nakasindi pa yung heater mo. Patayin mo. Ayan. Ito lahat.
I'm strong.
You first. And then we next.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good time.
We're gonna...
Okay. You good? Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. I got it.
I think you... I'm there. You here.
So you want me here?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna push it to you. I'm gonna push it. Wait. I'm gonna push it to you.
We'll hit them first
Oh,
to go
I'm too
after
strong,
a little
man.
bit.
And plus, you got you leaning it to the side where the drawers is popping open.
I'm gonna push it to
The
you.
drawers popping open.
Yeah, don't worry about that. I'm gonna push it to you. All right. Push it
Okay.
to me.
Okay. And then... I think you need to drink more one kaso. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. We got more. This. Okay.
Good. Just want to slide it to the fish.
Over there.
All right. Perfect.
Okay.
You better be lucky. Break.
You know what? We make it easily than them.
Huh?
We make it easily than them, right?
Yeah. See if I had flip-flop, my flip-flops coming out. I'm like, yeah, man, move that real quick. See that?
Concrete when we push it.
It's gonna slide
You
straight
grip it,
up.
I'll go ahead and lift it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Good? I got it on this end.
Somebody got me at the top, man.
No.
Yeah, let it slide. No.
Make it easy.
Hey, she got money in her, man.
You can buy
I need the
us.
coins.
You can buy a pass.
I need the coins.
Top step. So slide.
See, it's more easy like that. It's okay, it's
Don't let it
okay.
drop. You at the top.
That's the coins.
You at the top. You at the top.
It's good.
Now, George popping over there, big buddy.
Y'all work too hard.
Yeah.
Y'all work smart.
See?
Should've came and job me like 6 o'clock. Would've been good.
That's what I was telling you.
Uh-huh.
If she would have let me know earlier today, I would have been did this. I would have been done this.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. Why you getting crushed a little bit? Come to you. My friends. How much? Shit, the fuck?
Oh my God.
I ain't took it.
Come on, go. Ready? Go shit. 1,
Oh.
2, 3. Yeah. Alright, lift up a little bit higher. Keep going.
Okay.
I'm too strong. I carry it by myself if I want. Nah,
Oh my God.
I carry it by myself, man. Wait. Stay.
Ang hirap mag-part-time. Yeah. Okay, bye. Yakit natin. Go.
Bukan kaya ito sa kejahatan bulat je.
Yeah. Tapos, 2:30 na. Di ba kami tapos? Grabe. Kapagod. Ayan po yung hakutin namin. Pahinga po muna kami. Konti. Paano pang hakutin? Kita ko sa lip. Oh, bahala na. Sa wakas, tapos na pa kami. Asa na yun, Kuya Mer? Paano to? Kailangan kong patayin yung ilaw. Tapos na yung isang pauwi na. 3:27 na po ng madaling araw. Tapos na kami nag-part-time. Ayan. Uwi na ako. Ito yung bike ko. Ang bike. Malayo-layo pa. Malayo-layo pa. Oh, malayo-layo yung uwian ko banda doon. Pababa. Okay. Babush. Oh, yan na. straight. Ayan. Tahimik po ngayon. Wala ng tao. Ito po yung binibisikleta ko gabi-gabi. Araw-araw pagpasok sa trabaho. Ayan po. Tahimik na ang gabi. Dito na yung bahay ko. Ayan po. Dito na tayo. Wait. Ayan. Si Kuy-Kuy. Wait ko eh. Lalako mo na yung gate.